In this video, I'm going to show you how to paper trade on Webull Mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the bottom right and tap on menu. And then when you are signed in, you'll be able to see under shortcuts, there's at the bottom, it says paper trade. So it's going to be the sixth shortcut if you go ahead and count them. And whenever you tap on paper trade over here, it's going to open up your paper trading account. And you can then go ahead and see your net account value. You could go into stocks, options, orders, etc. or reset at the top right, and that's essentially how to then paper trade. So if I go to stocks over here, for example, I could go and search for whatever. If I can do Apple over here, you can see here it's going to give you like your chart, and then at the bottom you can go and of course see like everything regarding your of course this thing that you selected. Then you can just tap on paper trade at the bottom. It's going to open up your trading panel, and here you can buy or sell, limit or market orders, and then you can select your prices, quantities, trading hours, and time in force, and then tap on the paper trade at the bottom, and that's going to execute your specific trade. Okay, so that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.